In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fly in Pixelmon Reforged 1.16.5, I believe we are, the latest version. So first, what we're going to do is you want to have a Pokemon that can fly. So you want to have one of those. You want to hit R, and it's going to pop out like that. Nice. Now you can right click on it, and from here you can hold the spacebar, and that's going to shoot you up into the air. Now from here, what you can do, you should go to S, go to options, go to controls, scroll down to the bottom, and it's going to tell you the different controls here. So descend is X, hover is H, and with these you want to change them so they're not on red keybinds, so they're on white ones. That means that they won't interact with other buttons that you don't want them to do with. So once you've changed them to something that works, for me these are still red, but they still work for me because nothing else important is on these ones. I can hit done. And you can use the keybind. So for me, if I want to hover, I press H. And if I want to descend, I can press X, and it's going to descend. Now you can press F5 like this, and it's going to turn around and look at me flying. Now one thing you want to make sure you don't do, something that I did when I first started flying, I pressed shift to try and go down, but shift is going to make you fall off and you'll die if you're really high up, so be careful not to do that. But if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.